Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've just done a fresh install of Windows, or if your PC isn't working properly sometimes, here's how to install or update all your PC's drivers without wasting a lot of time searching for them one by one. Open your browser and search for Snappy Driver Installer. The official website is sdi-tool.org. Go there directly. Snappy Driver Installer, often abbreviated SDI, is a free, open-source driver management tool that has been around for years and is widely trusted in the IT and system administration community. You'll see the download options prominently on the homepage. You'll be offered two versions, SDI Full. This is a massive offline download, around 49 gigabytes, containing driver packs for virtually every piece of hardware imaginable. This version is designed for IT professionals and technicians who work on many different machines without reliable internet access. Unless you're doing professional IT work, this isn't what you need. SDI Lite is the version for regular users, but it's a tiny 6 megabyte download. It connects to the internet to download only the specific drivers your system actually needs, nothing more. This is what we're using today. Click on Download or choose a download mirror from the list. If the first mirror is slow or unresponsive, simply pick another. They all contain the same file. The download completes almost instantly given the small file size that you'll receive a zip archive. Find it in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. Choose a destination folder, your desktop or documents folder works fine, and click Extract. Once extracted, open the folder. Look for the file named SDI64DRV. This is the 64-bit version for modern Windows systems. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the permission prompt. Click on Allow Windows Firewall. When Snappy Driver Installer launches, you'll see a simple dialog with three options. Download all driver packs. This downloads everything, gigabytes of driver data for hardware you don't have. Skip this entirely. Download network drivers only. This downloads only Wi-Fi, LAN, and network-related drivers first. Useful if your internet isn't working after a fresh install and you need to get connected before doing anything else. On my PC, network is already working, so we'll skip this too. Download indexes only. This is the correct option for most people. It downloads a small set of index files that tell the tool what drivers are available, then compares them against your specific hardware. Only the drivers your machine actually needs will be flagged and available for download. Click Download Indices Only and let it run. It will take a minute or two to download and analyze the driver database against your hardware. Click here to select updates. From here, click this PC only. Click Accept, then OK. Snappy will check and find all drivers available for your PC. Before we install anything, let's set up a safety net. In the Snappy Driver Installer interface, look for the Create a Restore Point before installing drivers option and make sure it's checked. This tells the tool to automatically create a Windows system restore point before making any driver changes. That if a driver causes unexpected behavior, a rare but possible occurrence, you can roll back to the pre-installation state from Windows System Restore without losing any of your files or settings. Now click on Select All. Once you've made your selections, click Install. Snappy Driver Installer will download each selected driver pack and install them in sequence. For each driver, it runs the standard Windows driver installation process in the background. Some drivers will install silently, others may briefly show their own installation window, particularly GPU and audio drivers, which sometimes have their own setup wizards. Follow any prompts that appear. When all selected drivers have finished installing, restart your PC. That a full restart is important. Snappy Driver Installer handling the broad sweep of missing and outdated drivers, paired with manufacturer sources for GPU and any model-specific components. Subscribe and drop any questions about the driver installation process in the comments. I reply regularly. Thanks for watching.